Hello and welcome. This channel is a place where you can relax and improve your English by listening to stories. Today, you will listen to a conversation between Emma and Alex. The English will be clear and not too fast so you can follow the story. Before we begin, here's a question for you. Where do Emma and Alex decide to meet next time? Listen carefully, and we'll come back to this question at the end. All right, let's begin.
Hey, are you Emma?
Yeah, that's me. You must be Alex.
Yeah, nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you find the place okay?
Yeah, it was pretty easy actually.
Good. This place is a bit hidden.
Yeah, but I like it already.
Let's sit here.
Yeah, this spot is nice.
So, how's your English going?
It's okay, but sometimes I get stuck.
Yeah, that's totally normal.
Especially when people speak fast.
I can speak slower if you want.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
No problem. Just tell me if something is not clear.
Yeah, I will.
So, what do you usually do to practice?
I watch videos and listen a lot.
That's a good way to learn.
Yeah, but sometimes I miss words.
That's okay. You don't need to understand everything.
Yeah, I'm trying not to stress too much.
So, what do you usually drink? Coffee? Tea?
I usually drink coffee.
Same here. What kind do you like?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Like lattes, cappuccino, espresso?
Oh, I see. I like lattes.
Nice choice. Lattes are easy to drink.
Yeah, not too strong.
Do you take sugar?
Just a little. What about you?
I usually drink black coffee.
Really? That's too strong for me.
Yeah, it is a bit strong. But today, I think I'll get a latte too.
Oh, really? Why?
I don't want something too strong right now.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And it's easier to enjoy while talking.
True, I agree.
Do you want to get something now?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I'll go order for us.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Hi, can I get 2 lattes, please?
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, it'll be ready soon.
Thanks. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
It smells really good.
Yeah, this place makes nice coffee. Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Okay, let me try it.
Careful, it's hot.
Oh, yeah, I can feel it.
Give it a second.
Yeah, I will.
So, how is it?
It's really good.
Nice, glad you like it. So, why did you start learning English?
I want to travel more.
Oh, nice. Where do you want to go?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
I said, where do you want to go?
Oh, I want to visit the US first.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I've always wanted to go there.
You'll need English for that.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to improve.
You're doing pretty well already.
Thanks, that really motivates me.
Maybe we can practice together again.
Yeah, I'd like that.
How about this weekend?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
This weekend?
Oh, yeah, that works for me.
Great. Let's meet near the park next time.
Yeah, sounds like a good plan.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
So, how was the story? Now let me ask you again. Where do Emma and Alex decide to meet next time? Write your answer in the comments. Even a short answer is perfect. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next story with Emma and Alex. Bye.